Okay, I'm gonna show you more or less what I know about this thing. So, you click new, there, you have your first frame, you choose the pen tool, select the loop thing there, and then put a dot, and then put another dot, and move it around, I don't know. And you can see here in the wavetable um, how it refreshed in real time. So that's freaking cool. And if you, well, I don't know where is my, why is not sounding this? Ah, okay, because there is subtly low frequencies. All right, so as you move this and add points, you can hear how the sounds change. And by, for example, you want to add another change or state. So now I just click there, and now we are going to the frame 97, I think. And there you are, and then you move this dots, and instantly you have feedback on that. And if you scroll, you also have instant feedback on how it's going to blend all that stuff. So I'm going to add another point and modify this thing, and I'm going to take this to that, near to that location there, and you can see, you can hear all this stuff going. If, for example, I want to add something here, and I click there, that's well, that number, pretty close to what I'm right now. And if you move the stuff, you can see here also how how all this thing is going to be blend, and you can preview it. That's freaking nice. Then, for example, if you want to apply an effect, for example this, I don't know very well how this works, okay? But for example, you want it, oh, what happened there? I don't know, you want to apply the equalize there, for example. Then you will notice that there is no continuity. It's not yet applied. Well, there is a point there. I'm going to... That point you see there is not aligned, correctly aligned. So effects, frame blend, and there is it. You have it perfectly aligned with no problems. So done, and you're done. That's all.